Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your product page in Wix. If you're running an online store, having a product page that looks professional and matches your brand is essential for converting visitors into customers. This tutorial will walk you through exactly how to personalize every aspect of your product pages to make them uniquely yours. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This will trigger a drop-down selection to appear, giving you access to your site management options. From this drop-down, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely sure that this is the website where you wish to customize your product page. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the correct one before moving forward. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your site's design. To start customizing your product page, you need to navigate to it first. Click on the page drop-down menu and select your products page from the list. This ensures you're working on the right section of your site. Once you're on the product page, simply click on the products page section to select it. When you do this, you'll notice a settings button appear. Click on that button and a small customization window will pop up. This is your control panel for making all the changes you want to your product page layout and functionality. Now let's dive into the customization options. Start by selecting a product page layout that suits your style. Wix provides several layout samples to choose from, so browse through them and pick one that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Next, you can adjust the media position, switching it from left to right depending on how you want your product images displayed. You also have the option to change the product image layout to either thumbnails or grid, giving you flexibility in how customers view your products. Moving over to the Settings tab, you'll find a range of information display options. Here you can choose which details you want visible on your product page by clicking their respective checkboxes. This includes product price, SKU, quantity, navigation, info sections, low stock messages, and discount names. Selecting the right combination ensures your customers have all the information they need without cluttering the page. But the customization doesn't stop there. You can also personalize the text on various elements throughout your product page. For instance, you can change the button text for Add to Cart, Pre-order, and Buy Now to better match your brand voice or marketing strategy. Take some time to explore the entire settings window because there are plenty more customization possibilities waiting for you to discover. And that's it. You've now successfully customized your product page in Wix to reflect your brand and provide the best experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.